Hey, welcome to Classkick. Classkick is a tool to help you show your teacher what you know and get help when you need it. Your teacher will set up an assignment and make questions for you to complete. Log in with your class code and you'll be able to draw, type, add images, audio, or links to answer all the questions. Need to undo while you're working? Tap here. Whoops, need it back? Tap here to redo. Need more room? Use this scroll bar to scroll down the page. If you need help while you are working, you can raise your hand to get help or to be checked. And if your teacher turns on student helpers, you can help your classmates too. The best part is this: your teacher and your classmates can give you that help right when you need it. When you receive a grade on a question, you'll see it here. If you get help on another page, tap here to see it. Or if you want to hide the feedback while you're working, tap here. You can share the work you're doing with your family by tapping here to send the link to your work. We hope you love using Classkick. Have fun!